What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke. And today we're talking about how to make money sharing your photos online. So let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this, because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand, my friend. You my friend? I know you're my friend because you're my friend. Nah, seriously. We're going to talk about how to make money sharing your photos. Where? Online. Okay. Questions. I always start off with questions. Are you the type to run out and buy a new camera? And you know damn well that you can actually use your phone's camera, but you love how they... You know what I'm saying? You love it. Are you the one that always takes the best pics at your friend's sweet 16 party, wedding, or just an everyday backyard barbecue, get together with some friends? Are you that guy? Do you have an eye for great pics that will make most people say, ooh, or ah, when they see them? If this is you, and you love photography, then there is a great website that will help you make some moolah, cheese, cheddar, dinero, guap, cash, snaps, bucks on the side. It's called clickasnap.com. And it's one of the easiest ways to make money online if you're a pretty good photographer. Now, how it works is you sign up to clickasnap.com, and it's free, so you ain't gotta worry about putting your money up. You upload your images to their photo sharing platform. Users view your photos, and every time they view them, you get paid 70 cents per view. You can only cash out once you accumulate $15 or more. But if you get, let's say, 200 views on your photos, that's $140 just for uploading a photo, or two, or maybe three, or maybe 10. You get the idea. But that's not a bad deal, is it? Not by a long shot, in my opinion. Just saying. And you will get paid through PayPal. And you can transfer the money from there to your bank account if you want, or if you have a PayPal card or whatever. Right? Whatever. I would use a site like this to fund a bigger project, like maybe set up a website where you can actually sell your photography or help it to get you more clients for different photo shoots. Right? I mean, like, maybe you can use it in different ways, right? Maybe. I know everyone thinks they're photographers nowadays because of these phones that we have, but trust me, when there are events like weddings, graduations, even baby showers, photographers are called upon, and they charge. They charge a lot, all right? So you can make some good money. So bottom line is that sites like ClickASnap are not going to help you make life-changing income, but it can help you make some money to invest in your real hustle or continue to build your hustle through that site. So don't hesitate, just jump in because it's free, and if you have the talent, you can easily make some money to help you do other things. Check them out. You won't be disappointed. Anyway, so thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke, signing off for how to make money sharing your photos online. And if you want to learn how to make more money, save more money, and build a business online, check out the wealthbuildersystem.com. That's wealthbuilder with a Z, system.com. So do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.
that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.